The tale surveys a spectrum of prophecies tracing from ancient oracles to modern cultural echoes, revealing how belief, context, and evidence shape outcomes. It contrasts verified survivals like ancient omen records with dubious predictions, showing how interpretations adapt as events unfold and societies change. The narrative reveals origins from sacred texts to government inquiries and public forecasts, highlighting how predictions move beyond rumor to influence policy, curiosity, and art. Each claim is weighed against historical records, charting why some visions endure while others fade. The journey ends by asking what makes a prophecy endure or evaporate over time.